universe. We're back, and we're back with another scrumptious episode. Today we're doing an all-time favorite. We're doing Twix. Who doesn't love Twix? Who hasn't tried a Twix?
Me.
You?
Me.
You should be ashamed of yourselves. No, they're kidding. Of course they've tried Twix. Yeah, look at this delicious Twix. This is one of our favorites. We don't eat it as much as we should or could, but we do try it. So today we'll be taking a look at Twix. Why don't we just go ahead and get started? 5X Twix. Here we come. Whoa! There. Whoa. That's right. We don't just explore, we also eat them. Yes, folks, when we explore around here, we also make sure that we eat them. So let's open up this one, which I think I pre-opened before. Let's take a bite of this one. And then, Osito, do you want your own? Yeah, we'll give him his own, huh? Sometimes sharing is a little bit tough around this house. There is yours. You take small little bites, okay? We don't want another accident. Anywho, folks, we're back. So this is Twix under 5X. We're looking at the border between the caramel part and the crunchy cookie part. If you look on the wrapper, it says delicious caramel crunchy cookie. There's a cookie and caramel on it. And that's what we're looking at the microscope. What do you think about that brown caramel part?
Oh, yummy.
Yummy! And what do you think about the white crunchy cookie? Very yummy, he says.
Very yummy.
One is yummy, the other is very yummy. I like the sound of that. This is 5X. Why don't we get a little bit closer, folks? I need to see 10X. 10X Twix. Here we come. Whoa, now we're getting in even closer to that border, that division between the scrumptious caramel and that other scrumptiously equally scrumptious crunchy cookie part. Hey, wait a minute. What about me? I haven't eaten one, folks. I think I'm gonna have this little tiny one myself. Delightful. The show must go on, folks. So there's the 10X. You can see that the caramel part is very smooth, the brown part very smooth, but the white crunchy cookie part is very rough. Has very rough edges. Wow, it looks like a crystal almost. Doesn't the crunchy cookie look like a crystal? Yeah, these folks aren't really saying too much today, folks. Their mouths are full. I know. Now let's continue on our journey. Let's explore 20X. Let's see what this crunchy cookie Twix is about. 20X, here we come. There's 20X. Wow. He's done, folks. Oh my gosh. This kid is an eating machine. Don't stand in his way, folks. He might just eat you. Look at that little white crystal part. Isn't that beautiful? Hey, do you know what else is interesting? The subscribe and like button. Please go ahead and smash it! That's right, folks. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Good job, everyone. Would you like some more Twix? Why don't we open up this?
I'm done.
You're done with yours as well. Oh my gosh, we have some Twix fanatics here. I have the big Twix here that I've been saving for myself, but it looks like I'm gonna have to share it. That's okay. Let's open up this one. I actually have a particular way of eating the Twix. I like to eat the caramel on top first, and then I save the cookie for last. Let me know in the comments if you're just as wacky and eccentric as I am, and if you do the same thing. So I peel the Twix, and then I eat the cookie. But enough about me. Who wants more Twix?
Me.
We're just eating Twix here, folks. Let's turn into a Twix mukbang. Your mouth is full. Why do you want more Twix? You silly baby. So what is your favorite part of this Twix right here, 20X? What do you like? Do you prefer the crystal or do you prefer the caramel?
Cool. I like the crystal.
Why do you like the crystal?
Because they have these little gems and minerals and rocks on it.
Hey, yeah, it does have nutrients. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the white crystal cookie or the brown caramel smooth part?
Brown.
He likes the brown caramel smooth part. Yes.
Actually a brown thing.
You see a brown thing? Yeah, that's little chocolate caramel just mixed intertwined with itself. Great job, guys. High five. Oh, don't attack me like last time. And enough of that. So what did you guys think of the Twix?
I like it.
Do you want to eat Twix every day?
Yeah.
You would? Yeah, right. You better get out of here. Uh-huh.
I don't need to order go.
Oh, you're the glove. Oh my gosh, you lost his glove, folks. And we're back. We found it. So there's the Twix, everyone. This was another scrumptious, delightful episode. We really enjoyed doing this one. Join us again next time as we continue to explore the...
See.
Bye!